Greetings. Let us look at the multiplication of surds. Tinoda kutarisa the multiplication of surds. So as you already know, our course reader is the New General Mathematics book. Pari zvino tiri pabook number 3, kureva kuti it's actually Form 3 Mathematics. Tiri page 179 NGM 3. Then I want to read a little zvavakanyora when they were explaining the multiplication of surds. When two or more surds are to be multiplied together, they should first be simplified if possible. Then whole numbers should be taken with whole numbers and surds with surds. So let us see kuti how is this going to work. And of course, as is our culture, we are going to start with an example. Saka example yatoda kuita kwatiri isusu example number 1. As in the book, it's actually example number 4. So let us get to that example. That is our example number 1. Question yedu yakati iyo simplify a, the square root of 27 times the square root of 50. Chatinotanga kuita panapa, we express the square root of 27 and also the square root of 50 in surd form. Saka tinozviita sei. Let us work a. We have the square root of 27 multiplying the square root of 50. Saka we have to rewrite 27 tichimultiply two numbers, but we should be careful sekutsanangura kwatakaita in our classes but I discuss surds. Kuti one of the two numbers we are multiplying should be a perfect square. Saka iyi kana takuinyora pasi panapa, instead of writing the square root of 27, tinenge takuti the square root of 9 times 3. Then tikatarisa 9 na 3, tinoona kuti 9 is a perfect square. Nepamusana pekuti 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Kana kuti the square root of 9 is equal to 3 rather. We are going to multiply this with what? We are multiplying this with, instead of 50, takuti 25 times 2. Panapa umwe aigona kuti 10 times 5. Let me write it panapa. Let us say kuti rather what iwewe wa replace 50 na 10 times 5. Hazviite zvinezvi because both 10 na 5 they are not perfect squares. We do not have the square root of 10. We also do not have the square root of 5. Saka that won't work. So I was just illustrating panapa. Tadaro manje takuya panapa tinogona edu kuisa brackets. No, let us not do that. But tinogona kuzviita to solve iyi takaisa brackets kuitira kuti separate in this one. Saka panapa we now have the square root of 9 multiplying the square root of 3 times the square root of 25 multiplying the square root of 2. Tachoose 25 times 2. Pamusana pekuti 25 is a perfect square. The square root of 25 is 5. That's why it's now choose 10 times 5 and 50 times 1. Tadaro manje takuya panapa takuti isusu the square root of 9 is 3. Saka it's now 3 times the square root of 3 multiplying the square root of 25 is 5. So it's 5 times the square root of 2. Ino iyi kana takuita simplify further inenge yava chi 3 root 3 multiplying 5 root 2 like this. Then sezvataurwa nebhuku redu, kana tasvika apa zvifangokutinetsa, what we do is we multiply numbers on their own. Saka tinotora manumber zvaari, it's 3 times 5 times we multiply square roots on their own. So it's the square root of 3 times the square root of 2. Saka panapa 3 times 5 is 15. 15 is going to multiply what? 15 is going to multiply panapa, instead of the square root of 3 times the square root of 2, inenge yava chi? The square root of 3 times 2. If you don't understand zvaitika panapa, it means you have to revisit malessons atakaita on SADS. We explained that sufficiently kuti chii chinenge chaitika, but for those who just want to be reminded, takataura isusu tichiti the square root of a times b is equal to the square root of a times the square root of b. Saka zvangoitika apa ndezvekuti paitika a reverse. Okay, so this is equal to 15 multiplying, of course, the square root of 6, 3 times 26. So our final answer is going to be 15 root 6. That is how we do it. Saka, if I am to just give a short summary of the working yataita panapa, maybe kuti zvive cemented in your minds. Chekutanga ndechekuti we have to express in sad form. Express in sad form. Daftarisisa. Ndo step ino ishi. Saka taexpressa in sad form tinosvika chi panapa apa. Then panapa we multiply like terms. We multiply like terms. And saka tacollecta manamba ega kama multiplier, collecta ma square roots ega kama multiplier. Then kana ta multiply kudaro, we get to our final answer. So let us look at B. So I'm going to do B with you, but you can try out B. You can pause and try to solve B on your own. Then you come back to compare the answers. The same with C. So let us now do B. Saka B yanga yakanzi kudini. B yakanzi iyo, the square root of 12. The square root of 12 is multiplying 3, the square root of 60, which is also multiplying the square root of 45. So the square root of 45 yadzoka takaiita in our previous lesson. So let us look at 12. We have two numbers which multiply 12. You see, one of those numbers is a perfect square. So if you think hard, if you are now used to makwetsenzaya, because the practice makes perfect, especially in maths, in mathematics. Saka panapa chat, this is equal to, press a bracket. Instead of writing 12, let us to the square root of 4 times 3. Why 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is equal to 12. As if 4 is a perfect square, because the square root of 4 is 2. So 12 taripedza 9 times. So this is 3 times the square root of. What about 60? Can we think about a perfect square which multiply another number to give us 60? So we have to think a little hard panapa. Like 9 inopinda here muna 60? No, 9 haipinde muna 60, but rather 15 times 4 ndiani. Saka panapa tikati 4 times 15. Ma 15 ari 2 anotipa 30. Kureva kuti ma 15 ari 4 anotipa 60. So kana tikadaro apa tenge tatonaka 20 times, I don't know kana tichifanga kudzokorodza panapa, but it's 9 times 5. Saka taexpressa everything in sad form. Todzika pazasi panapa. So this is going to be, saka rekanimboita nchijamba ma steps. Saka apa ndoda kujamba ma steps. Kujamba kwandoda kuita ndekwekuti ndakuda kutongonyora kuti, alright, let us follow step by step. The square root of 4 times what? The square root of 3. Multiplying 3 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 15 times what? The square root of 9 times the square root of what? 5. From here, chaita 2 root 3 multiplying 3 times 2 root 15 multiplying 3 root 5. Saka tadaiso multiply manumbers ari ega 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 multiply the square root of 3 times the square root of 15 times the square root of 5. Pano tichawana 36 multiplying the square root of it's 3 times 15 times 5, of which 5 times 3 ndi 15. Kureva kuti panapa tiringoda chi 15 times 15. 0, 1 times 5 ndi 5, 1 times 1 ndi 1, 5 times 5 ndi 25, saka 2 panapa, 5 times 1 ndi 5, 6, 7. If we add this, it's 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 carry 1. So it's actually 225. Saka here we have 36 multiplying the square root of 225. But the number 225, it's very fishy. Mukatarisisa muchaona kuti it's actually fishy. And for that reason manje, zvazoitika panapa ndezvekuti instead of kumultiply zvese, this is actually genius. Instead of kumultiply zvese, zvaitwa panapa ndezvekuti taona isusu kuti 5 times 3 ndi 15. Saka panapa takumultiply ne the square root of 15 times 15. So kana chimultiply ne the square root of 15 times 15, which is 225 yatawana. Tikatotsvaka the square root of 225 tinowana 15. So the square root of 15 times 15 is equal to what? It's equal to 15. Saka we have 36 multiplying 15. What answer do we get there? 36 times 15. The final answer is 540. Let us now go to C. Tikatarisa C, hama, tinoona kuti pakanzi ipo we have 2 root 5 squared. How do we do this? We know from our indices kuti a squared zvinoreva kuti a times a. Saka tikazviapply panapa tinenge tava na 2 root 5 times 2 root 5. Then tikada kumultiply manumbers ega 2 times 2 times ma square roots ega the square root of 5 times the square root of 5. So we know kuti from what we illustrated, the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is equal to 5. Here we have 2 times 2 ndi 4 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 then ndi 5. Kureva kuti our final answer is 20. Our final answer is 20. So it's as easy and as simple as this. We have done our first example to conclusion. Let us now try out another example. After that, I give you an exercise and we call it a day. For our second example, so we're going to simplify the following. Saka a yakanzi square root of 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 12 times the square root of 45 times the square root of 50. So we are going to express in third form zvatinokwanisa kuexpress in third form. Zvatisingakwanise kuexpress in third form, we are going to leave it out. But before we go there, I need to say something panapa. So zvanga zvigona kuitika panapa instead. Tanga tigona kuti 36 times the square root of 225. This is equal to 36 the square root of 225. But 225 is a perfect square. Nekuti 15 times 15 zvinotipa 225. Nokudaro yaizongoita 36 times 15 yotipa our final answer 540. So even usingazive kana kuti usati wakaunderstanda panapa kuti if the same number is multiplying iri under a square root, zvinongoreva kuti that number is the answer. You can actually utilize, you can follow every step, but you should then know kuti this is a perfect square. And in paper 1, if you don't know my perfect squares ako so much, you can go wrong there, but you should suspect 225 is a very big number kuti ishaiwe isava expressible in sad form. So that concludes that. Let us go back to our question. Saka tiri pano, this will be equal to the square root of 2 hatikwanisi kuiexpress in sad form. We don't have two numbers, one of which will be what? A perfect square plus 2 zvagara, it's a prime number. Saka it's only 2 times 1. Ndo gamma factors are in now. So 2 tongoisa yakadaro. The same applies to 3. The same applies to 5 times. Then pana 4 panapa yavachi 4 times 3. Mazvona 4 is a perfect square times pana 45 panapa, it's 9 times 5. 9 is a perfect square times pana 50 panapa, it's 25 times 2. 25 is a perfect square. So this will be equal to the square root of 2 multiplying the square root of 3 multiplying the square root of 5 multiplying 2 root 3. I think transition here obvious because of my examples attribute times 3 root 5 times 5 root 2. Then manje tocollecta ma numbers kuti multiply ari ega. Zvinoreva izvo kuti tinenge tina 2 times 3 times 5 multiplying chi the square root of 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 3 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 2. Saka what is 2 times 3? The 6. 6 times 5, the 30. Multiplying the square root of 2 ino ish. Ika multiplyana ne the square root of 2 iri kunoku. Tinenge tatowana 2. Times the square root of 3. Ika multiply ne the square root of 3. Tinenge tina 3. Times the square root of 5. Ika multiply ne the square root of 5. Tinenge tina 5. Kureva kuti tango vana 30 times 30. So 30 times 30 answer ndiani? It's 009. Our answer is 900. So this was a fascinating question because yadzoka ikaplaya ma principles akawanda. Panapa pato apply machi ma laws of indices. Kuti kana tichiti the square root of a times the square root of a iri equal to a. Kureva iko kuti the square root of example, the square root of 4 times the square root of 4 is equal to 4. That's just an example. Panapa the square root of 4 and 2, saka 2 times 2 is 4 here to prove our example. So tatopedza A. If you have any questions, you have the comment section to utilize. Let us go to B. B yakanzi iyo the square root of 3 times the square root of 6. Saka 3 hatikwanise 3 is perfect square. Uye hatikwanise kutsvaga ma numbers ari maviri ano multiply achitipa 3 nepamusana pekuti 3 prime number. I hope this reason makes sense to you. If you think about it, it should make sense. Because a prime number is only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Saka it will be 3 times 1, which is moot. Then what about 6? 6 hatina zvakare tuma number anomultiply achitipa 6 nepamusana pekuti kunyange hayo isiri prime number because mafactors ayo tina 2 na3. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Saka we can also do nothing here. Kureva kuti tatongosarwa neoption yekumultiply chi everything under one square root. Multiply everything under one square root. Tunowana it's 6 times 3 and 6 of 18 the 18. Temptation ndeyekusiyira answer panapa, but it cannot be because half ya 18 ndi 9. 9 is a perfect square. Kureva kuti we break it further inenge yakuti chi 9 times 2. I replace 18 na 9 times 2. This then will be equal to the square root of 9 multiplying the square root of 2, which is 3 times root 2, which then gives the final answer of 3 root 2. Zvenge zvatoita. Saka that is it, dearly beloved. That is it. From there, takuda kuratidzai the exercise. So it's now exercise 20E. Without meter number 1. Without meter number 6. Ndokuda kuti muite number 9. Then ndoda kuti musarudze 2 dzenyu. But pa 2 dzamusarudza ndiri kuda kuti alright, just choose any 2. So I think that will be sufficient. If you have any questions, you can utilize the comments section. Rather, if you want help, you want extra lessons, tutoring, as always, this is my number available on WhatsApp. Come and let us reason together. Thank you for your patience and take care.